Well, this video dedicated to Emily for her birthday. She's 8 years old, surprise birthday, loves motorbikes. So Graham Monk organised the British Legion to come out and do a ride for her. Obviously Graham got in touch with Dean, who's part of our escort group, and can we escort the bikes, make sure they all get there together safely in one piece. So compiled this video just for that, to make sure they all got there safely. Very happy young lady. Unfortunately she's got an illness which Graham did show me, and for the life of me I cannot pronounce, but apparently there is no cure for it and she has a reduced life expectancy for it. So to make a young girl's dream come true of seeing lots of motorbikes which she loves was really nice. So enjoy the video, and thanks to Graham for organising, thanks to Dean for organising the escort riders, and I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy.